On the timeline. Time and action. We learnt in class 4 about how the action word changes a little according to when an action takes place. Let us learn more about it today. We will begin with learning 3 new words: present, past, and future. Present refers to what is happening now. Past is what happened before now. Future is what will happen after now. Here is a picture of a timeline with past, present, and future marked on it. A timeline is a line on which you mark things that happened in the order in which they happened. In Marathi, you could say
वेळबद्ध क्रमवारी किंवा काळ दर्शवणारी रेषा.
Past can be millions of years ago. That is, very, very long ago, before people came on earth. Past can be long, long ago, which is when there were people on earth, but still hundreds of years ago. Many years ago means something like, say, 70 or 80 years ago. Just a few years ago would mean, say, 3 or 4 years ago. And last year is?
The year before this year.
Perfect. You all know what many days ago means? It means more than 7 days ago. A week ago is?
7 days ago.
That's right. The day before yesterday is?
2 days before today.
Correct. Yesterday is?
The day before today.
Good. A little while ago or some time ago can mean a few hours or minutes ago. Words like now specifically refer to the present moment. Phrases like today, tonight, this week, and this month all show present time. Let's look at phrases that refer to the future. After a while or later could mean a few hours or even a few days or a few weeks from now. Tomorrow, as you know, is?
The day after today.
Day after tomorrow is what it says. Next week is the week after this week. After many days is usually after 7 or 10 days. Next year is the year after this year. After a few years means 2 or 3 years. Many years from now is more than 3 or 4 years, like 8 or 10 years from now. Thousands of years from now is actually a long, long time from now, when none of us will be alive. Now, you know phrases that are used to show time. Next class, we will look at making sentences with them.